occasion of his birthday, he decided to organize the Bhandara nearby place. He made the things. He made the list of things that to be required in the Bhandara, take the permission from the authority, and went to the place and start preparing and doing the works. After few hours, people come to the Bhandara and he surveyed the Bhandara for who are coming for the Bhandara. Few hours, many people join the Bhandara. It makes him happy. He takes blessing from them and went back to his home. Thank you.
And everyone, picture which is shown to us, I can perceive the 7 characters, 4 males, 3 females, age between 11 to 35 years. The action of my story is preparation of Bhandara in this village. The Ram is 21-year-old boy. He is pursuing his masters from the Master in Science in IIT Delhi. Once he go in village, he organized the Bhandara on the occasion of Janmashtami. Firstly, he goes to Sarpanch house and take a permission for the Bhandara near the temple. And he goes to the market and brought some vegetables and the groceries and booked the halwai for the Bhandara. Then he invited all the villagers for the Bhandara. Then the Bhandara was started and he take feedbacks from the villagers, and with the blessings of God, the Bhandara was done successfully.
Thank you everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, 3 male and 4 female, age ranging from 10 years to 60 years, and the overall mood of my picture is positive, and the action of my story is this is the scene of a man distributing food. Ram is a 30-year-old man and has done Graha Shanti Puja at his home and decided to do a Bhandara in his nearby garden, and he invited everyone and distributed his food, the food to everyone. He distributed the food to everyone, and there was also a facility to sit and eat and ensure that no one remains go without having food. And with the blessing of God, he did the Bhandara and made his day special and a moment to remember in life.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, 4 male, 3 male, 4 female, 3 male, and the age is between 8 to 40-year-old, and the overall mood is positive, and the action of my story is organizing a Bhandara in his village. Atul, a graduate from Delhi University, after clearing his UPSC Civil Services exam, he decided to organize a Bhandara in his temple in his nearby village. After that, he gone to the market, bought some vegetables, rations and masalas for the Bhandara, give invitation to the whole village as well as to the Pradhan also. After that he served the food, took blessings from everyone, give prasad to everyone. After that he moved towards Labasna Masuri for his training. Thank you.
You can start your discussion. Kritika to Anushka and Khushi to Aman. Please start.
Because most of us are perceived as they are distributing food out of the either we can go with
Celebrating the success and giving the Bhandara.
like he got promotion in the
job and now he got promotion in the organizing the Bhandara. Distributing the food one by one to everyone.
and the man has prepared all the food for himself.
And he distributed the food by himself.
Served the food, organized the Bhandara, and took the blessings and
Okay. Pankaj to
Gentlemen, we all of us make the story around the Bhandara, and we just So we just consider that our hero is distributing the food on the
Organizing a
festival
Bhandara
and
and
paper of
Social
Bhandara.
social cause.
Yeah, or for
Okay, खुशी टू बोलो यार, तुम लोग बोलो.
From the given picture, we have perceived 7 characters, 4 female and 3 male. So we can go
We
with
can
the
say
idea
that
of
it is a
he,
common idea
the
that it is a food distribution
Food,
camp,
yes.
so we can also
Or he
take
can
it for a
organize a
social cause
Bhandara.
that it is
Yes.
it is done by an NGO.
We can
We
make the
can
he was
discuss
celebrating his
the
birthday
We make a
to
fixed,
with help of the Bhandara.
for the
He's distributing food because of any
Distributing food
achievement
for the
and
needy and the poor.
yeah, we can.
Okay, nominate a person from this group. Nominate a person from this group. Okay, संध्या इधर का. Okay, प्रीतम चलो.
Thank you for nominating me. Jai Hind sir, from the picture we have perceived that this is a scene of a village where people are celebrating. They have done a bhandara for the as one of the family. Their daughter has cleared an exam and their daughter has cleared an exam and they are celebrating with the family and neighbors. So they have gathered together, decided themselves of preparing the food, collected all the material and prepared
Okay,
the food
good.
celebration.
Pritham.
Thank you for nominating me. Jain sir, from our fruitful discussion, we have concluded to a common good story, sir. In this story, Ram, a 17-year-old boy of class 12th, his parents have been arranged an puja after, in the occasion of Saraswati Puja, and he has distributed the prasad to the attendants of the villagers, and he has given kheer, puri, and also
Okay.
sweet rice.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind sir. From the fruitful discussion, we have come to the conclusion that Rahul, a 29 years old guy, have completed his UPSC exams and cleared the exam. And after the results, he has organized a bhandara where he has invited all his neighbors and the villagers and distributed the food there and completed the bhandara.
Okay.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. For the given picture, we have perceived 7 characters, and Ram has decided to organize an bhandara for a social cause, and he
हिंदी में बोल दिया करो बेटा, बोलो.
उसने distribute करा खाना, and he distributed the food with his hands, and he made his day special and a moment to remember it.
Jai Hind sir, after the discussion we have concluded that Ram, Abhinav, a 23-year-old aspirant, just cleared a competitive exam. On this occasion, he decided to serve bhandara. He called all the village people, make bhandara by himself and serve them. He see that no people will go without having the food, and at last he cleaned the place.
Okay.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jain sir, as we after the group discussion, the Ram is 21-year-old and he's and he after the clearing the civil services exam, his family was the organizing the bhandara in village. After with his family, he's go to market and purchase some vegetables and grocery, them and then serves to the villages. Then the bhandara was successfully completed.
Jai Hind everyone, thank you for nominating me. Thanks. So we have came to the conclusion that Ramesh, a 35-year-old man, is celebrating the success of her son's result, and he organized a bhandara for the village, and he prepared the whole food on his own and distributed food among them, and remaining food given to the.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jain sir, from the discussion we have perceived that there is a Ram, 27-year-old, who is working as an employee in Bhopal. on the occasion of his promotion, he decided to organize a bhandara in the nearby village. He make the list of the things of like vegetables, fruits, and the basic necessary of to be required in the bhandara, and he organized the bhandara with himself. And
Thank you, group, for nominating me. We have concluded that Ramesh has recently cleared his UPSC exam, and with a family they have done a puja, and with the help of a family member they have cooked the food and distributed among the relative and the neighbors. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you group for nominating me. After the healthy discussion, we came to the conclusion. Our story goes like this. Abhinav, 25-year-old, working in a Wipro. After taking the leave, he reached to home. With the parents, he prepared the food, packed the food, and reached to the Narmada Ghat. After that, he cleaned the Narmada Ghat, performed all the rituals, and
Thank you group for nominating me. Jai Hind sir, after the fruitful discussion we have discussed, Atul, a graduate from Delhi University, after clearing his UPSC CSE, he organized a Bhandara in his temple in his nearby village. He bought some vegetables, rations and masalas from the market, give invitations to the villagers and also to Pradhan, served the food and enjoyed the Bhandara. After that he moved towards his training. Thank you.
Thank you for nominating me, Jayant sir. From a healthy discussion, we have perceived there were 7 characters, 3 males, 4 females, age ranging between 12 to 40 years, overall mood being positive. Action of my story is organizing the small puja and serving the food for his achievement. Rahul, a 24-year-old engineering graduate, recently cracked his highest placement package from his college. He and his parents decided to organize a small puja in their home. After attending the puja, he went to the temple and served the food to the nearby people around the temple, take the blessing from his parents and the God, and ready for this upcoming job.
So this was stage 1, okay?